Tired of complicated international money transfers? We're diving into how you can easily send money to Bkash in Bangladesh using Taptap Send. First, open your Taptap Send app and make sure you're logged in. Tap the Send Money button to start a new transfer. Select Bangladesh as the country you want to send money to. Enter the amount you want to send in your local currency. Taptap Send will automatically calculate the equivalent amount in Bangladeshi taka. Now, it's time to add your recipient's information. Enter their Bkash account number very carefully. Double-check it to avoid any errors. Choose your preferred payment method. Taptap Send accepts debit cards and often bank transfers, depending on your location. Review the transaction summary carefully. This screen shows the amount you're sending, the exchange rate, any fees associated with the transfer, and the total cost. Once you're happy with everything, confirm the transfer. You'll see a confirmation screen with a reference number once the transaction is successful. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to Bkash using Taptap Send.